ダメだねダメよダメなのよ
It's Valentine's Day.
Yep.
I can't believe I'm all alone on Valentine's.
I can't believe it.
Fuck you, Power.
You wish. You can't anybody, Denji. You have no twiz.
You mean no... Riz?
Denji, you have no Riz, no chicks, and no girlfriend.
Okay, well, I don't exactly see you drowning in girlfriends either.
Well, I could get a girlfriend if I wanted to.
Uh-huh, sure.
What? Wait, a girlfriend? A girlfriend? Why the f did you say girlfriend?
Oh, what do you mean, why? Aren't you gay?
No! I'm not gay!